Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you how you can track in After Effects. First, let's open your After Effects. Then go to the video you want to add the motion tracking. Select the video. Then on the right side of your screen, click Tracker over here. Click on the tracker style you want. In our case, let's click on Track Motion over here. You can also choose what you want to tracker. Is it only the position or the rotation or the scale? It's all up to you. After that, you will see these tracking points in the video. Then make sure to place it to something that is in high contrast. In our case, I'll place this one to the eyes. You can also reshape it. And there you go. That's how you track in After Effects. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!